Alright, what's up guys, Captain Coasters here with my new video. Today I just want to give you guys a construction update. Sort of, it's a pretty big plot of land here in my backyard. They got construction fence around it also. It's a pretty huge plot of land. And we're definitely adding a coaster in here. I don't know what. I think it could be an RMC Raptor, maybe Skull Mountain clone. Doing Skull Mountain would be pretty sick. Hopefully not like some RMC family coaster though, that would suck. Or like a Giga, because that would suck. But yeah, this is gonna be a pretty exciting coaster coming this far around. Pretty big. I haven't really started vertical construction yet. We didn't start foundations, but got a lot of land clearing and got fences up. So I think we're going to start vertical construction very soon. Hopefully it should be open maybe by next season. Probably coaster it is. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next video. This is just construction update. So I'll make sure that comments subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.